Hi, welcome to week 6.
We start off the week having French toast with our friends Mark and Valerie and Jack, and we thank him very much for the donation of our new dishwasher.
Yeah. I'll be working on tiling the bathroom and getting it all set so Shirley can have a tub and I can have a shower so I don't stink.
I appreciate that very much.
Yeah, I bet you do.
Yeah, I will. We also have to take a trip to IKEA on Tuesday to exchange a couple of the cabinets for the kitchen that weren't exactly what we wanted.
Working.
Yeah, they weren't working. And
then it's just get ready for the big move on the 14th. There's a lot of packing and stuff still to do over at the other house. So
I've done a lot of that off camera because who wants to watch anybody pack? That's just boring.
Not fun.
No, it's not fun. Anyway, we hope you like this week's episode. We're not nearly done, so if you think that once we're moved in, the videos will stop, they won't.
Never.
We have so many more hours to go. It's just we were able to get the movers to come in early, and we've already started sleeping here. We're sleeping on an air mattress in the bedroom, and I'm done with that. I would like my bed now. So.
Bed back.
Anyway,
enjoy.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, bye.
Last time with you, Dulce, what we're
Okay,
working
and here is
Yeah.
the French toast all dressed up.
This one's great. Good.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Look at all these toppings. Valerie's
You got
just
some
starting her
orange,
third
and we got
toppings.
some
They're not
mango.
toppings, they're condiments because you don't put them on top all the time.
Captain Bluebird.
Just saying.
Okay,
Forget
Mr.
Mark's.
Forget Mark.
Forget.
And my
Semantics.
short
You
Canadiano.
top it on.
Delicious.
Who puts it in the middle? Okay, here we go.
Go loading on the ferry again.
I mean, the one good thing about having a reservation is that we get on the top deck.
Beautiful day for a boat ride. Got more cabinets in that we picked up at IKEA. All the ones over the window and the ones on either side of it. Starting to look pretty good. Got the microwave in too. Okay, so today's task is getting rid of this blue wrap that's on the cabinetry. It's not easy. Like, I've tried and it's not coming off easy. That's why I went to the internet and I asked, how do I get rid of this shit? Easy. Hairdryer. Thank God I have a Dyson and it heats up really fast. Like the last one, it should just come right off. But of course, because I'm filming, it won't. But the actual hard part is getting it started. It's not really easy. That was easy. Now only all these to go. Yeah. Here's the first look now that I've taken off all the blue wrap from the cupboards. Still got a couple more doors to go there, but stove's in,
cupboards all the way around there. So shiny. There is going to be some lighting underneath of these cabinets here. Laundry, got a cabinet in up there. Just missing a couple of doors, but it's finally in and it looks amazing compared to what it looked like when we bought it. Yay! So some of you might know that in a previous life I worked at an Italian restaurant in Banff for a couple of years, and part of my job there was a pizza cook. And so I thought, what a better meal could I make for our first test of my new oven than homemade pizza. So we'll just get on it. I've done on my mise en place and we're ready to go. I'm gonna make two different types, one with pesto, which I love, and one with tomato sauce, which is also good. And yeah, we'll just see how it turns out. Anyway, first thing, we need to dust our pizza because it's pretty sticky. And our hands. So I've got my oven heating up to 500 degrees, and yeah, and I've got a pizza stone in there too, which makes all the difference. I actually keep a pizza stone in my oven at all times, so that it creates even heat inside my oven. So first you just spread out your dough, kind of get it in a round shape. Much food for Joe and I, but there's nothing better than leftover pizza. So once you've got your pizza dough out in the right shape, I like to put it on my, I've got my pizza, oh, what's that thing called? This thing. And I'm gonna spread some semolina on it, or cornmeal. It helps to let the pizza roll off into the oven. While I wait for my oven to heat up, I'm going to show you an easy way to pit these olives. You just take a knife and you squish them. And the pit pops right out. Easy peasy, done. We'll start with the pesto pizza. Don't need a lot of pesto. It's quite salty and oh my God, it smells so good though. So I'm gonna do pesto, prosciutto,
shallots, tomato. I think that's what I'm going to do on this one. When it's finished cooking, I'm going to put, I think I'm going to put arugula on top that I've dressed. So here's a little bit. We noticed in Italy, they don't put a lot of toppings on their pizzas. They really don't. It's not like the big fat pizzas that you get here. They're done. Like thin crust pizzas over there are amazing, and they don't have a ton of stuff. They're just delicious. So that's what we're shooting for. Okay, so we've got some prosciutto, some shallots, and some Here's tomatoes. What else? Maybe some olives?
Fresh basil. I hear Joe out back working on whatever he's working on. He seems to not stop working these days. And that is it. Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna prep the second pizza. So I've got my dough here. I've got my flour. I'm using pizza flour. That's what I use to make the dough. So you start off by making your outer crust. I don't know if you can see that. And then you just start spreading it out.
And then when you get it in the shape that you want, then you start stretching it by your hand.
You just test it to see if it's thick in other places, so it's kind of thin here and kind of thick there. So just pick it up, stretch it a little bit more. There, that's better. Okay, now I'm gonna wait for the other pizza to come out because I don't want to make the toppings for this one when that one's still cooking. Okay, I'll be back. Time to take this pizza out. What? That is crazy. That didn't even take 8 minutes. Looks pretty good. Okay, let's do the second one. Pizza steel here. Back with the cornmeal. It's granular, so it just makes the pizza slide right off of the board, off the steel. So it's not called a steel. What is this pizza thing called, Joe? Huh? Pizza peel. That's what it's called. And again, not too much sauce. You don't need that much. I didn't make my own sauce. I'm sorry. I'm going to apologize now in advance, but I did make pizza dough. Does that count for anything? I sure hope so. Okay, so we're going to make a mushroom pizza. Basically, it's an everything pizza, I think. We'll just do an everything pizza.
Some shallots. Olives. Some fresh tomato. Prosciutto. And top it off with a couple of hazelnuts. Buffalo mozzarella for this one.
Okay, let's hope this thing slides. Let's go see. Okay. See how it just slides right off? Okay, I think the next one's ready to come out. Oh, it's perfect. And this one, I'm gonna add a little fresh basil to the top. Now, I'm gonna dress this arugula. Because I'm gonna put that on the other pizza. Extra virgin olive oil, not very much. Tiny drizzle of balsamic. Some salt. I've never had fresh arugula on a pizza. Time to try. Okay, Joe. Well, maybe put a little bit on this one too. Pizza's ready. Okay, which one are you gonna try?
I'm gonna try this one. No, this one.
Try that one first.
Look at that. Yummy. That's really good.
Is that? Okay, I have to cut into the other one.
Which one are you trying?
I'm trying the one with the buffalo mozzarella on it.
Delish.
Really good. It's really good.
Now we've got this all drywalled in. Put on a little corner bead on this corner. And there you have first coat. It's stuck on.
So while Joe is busy getting the house over there ready, I'm getting this house ready for the movers. I don't know why we move so much because I freaking hate this business, but anyway. I'm getting there, almost done. Okay. Looking pretty close to moving. Just gonna put the garbage away. We're gonna sleep in the bed one more time before it moves. Bathroom's done. Closet's done. I'm done.
Oh, you're tired. Why so tired?
End of week 6, I guess.
Yeah. Pizza was great.
Pizza was really good. Meaning the oven works fantastic. Like, it ripped right up to 550 degrees. Love that. Joe's got the bathroom closer to tiling.
Didn't get it tiled because we were in Vancouver for 2 days.
Yeah.
There
Which
is-
we had a really, really great time with our daughter. It's always nice to just get away, even though we had a ton of running around to do. We had to take back flooring and exchange some of the cabinets in the kitchen that were wrong. But got that done, and then that's how Joe got the rest of the kitchen done, which looks spectacular.
It's coming along pretty good.
Yeah.
Yep. But now, moving.
So
We're ready to go.
today we're putting this out on Saturday. The movers come on Monday. That means that we have to get this house. Oh, sorry. This house cleaned up and ready for the new our furniture.
Our furniture to go somewhere. Move the boxes.
Yeah, move the boxes. We tend to move all the things that aren't furniture. We move all the lamps, all the boxes, or most of the boxes. Anything that I can pick up, we bring it over here. And that makes the moving costs like next to nothing.
Let the movers move the big stuff. Beds, dressers, tables,
China cabinet,
cabinets, things like that.
Yeah.
And we just do
We move the china
the little boxes.
so that the china gets
All the dishes are in the cupboards already.
Yeah.
The kitchen's all set up.
Yeah. Because it had to be.
Yep.
Yeah. Anyway, we're on to week 7. Next time we make a video, we're going to be moved here. And
Yep, we'll be in.
I can't even believe it. 6 weeks, Joe.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
For the way this place looked.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Okay. Enjoy.
Oh, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Oops, sore thumb.